This is exercise 13. If cosine t equals negative 1/3 and t is in quadrant 3, find sine t and tangent t. This is really just like exercise 12, and so maybe you don't even need to watch this video. You may choose one of two methods that I talked about in the previous video. And so I choose method 1 here. I have to admit I'm partial to method 1. I think it's useful for you guys to get used to working with the Pythagorean identity. So I'm going to use that Pythagorean identity, that sine squared t plus cosine squared t equals 1. And I'm going to plug in the value that I have for cosine. So I want to solve for sine. So sine t squared plus negative 1/3 squared equals 1. Now because we're squaring, we'll lose the negative at this point, right? We square negative 1/3, we get positive 1/9. And I want to isolate the sine squared. So I'm going to take the 1/9 to the other side, and 1/9, I end up subtracting 1/9. 9/9 minus 1/9 is 8/9. That's sine t squared. And now I'm ready to take square roots. There's always a plus or minus, and I have to choose which one of the two. Well, we're in quadrant 3, so it's the quadrant that helps me make the decision. In quadrant 3, both sine and cosine are negative, right? So I know sine t has to be negative. I got square root of 8 over square root of 9. So sine t is going to be square root of 8 is 4 times 2, so that's minus 2 square root of 2 over 3. Square root of 8 is square root of 4 times 2, which can be simplified in that way. So I think we got our sine t. Tan t again, I prefer to just get from taking sine t over cosine t. I mean, sometimes it's a bit of a mess of a division problem, but it shouldn't be that scary for you guys. So let's see, sine t goes on top, negative 2 square root of 2 over 3, all over negative 1/3. Notice I'm taking a negative divided by a negative, so I'm going to get a positive answer, right? That's going to be divided by negative 1/3. Negative 2 square root of 2 over 3 times 3 over negative 1. The 3's will cancel, and I get 2 square root of 2 over 1 positive. Again, the negatives have canceled out, or just 2 square root of 2. There's my tangent of t. Okay. Now, I'd like to go right on to another problem. No, you know what? I'm going to leave. I'm going to cut it off here. We're going to do the next problem separately. So here's exercise 13, short one, very similar to exercise 12. We got sine and tangent of t.